Welcome to the third instalment of our mini-series of reviewing and demonstration of gardening tools. Today we're going to be looking at digging tools, so let's get down to the garden and see what we've been sent. So the first tool we're going to be looking at is this square mouth shovel. It's got a hardwood shaft and a plastic handle, making it really comfortable for many hours in the garden. It's designed really for moving large quantities of scooping and moving large quantities of dirt and gravel, other kind of landscaping materials. Not really ideal for digging, but you could use it for that. It's rust resistant on the end there. What makes the shovel great for moving around large quantities is these sides it's got on there, which stops the material from falling off like it would do with a traditional spade. So this is a perfect tool for moving these chippings around. It's a perfect tool for this kind of work. This is a little border spade, real professional quality, perfect for maintaining your flower beds and digging out weeds or lifting plants or digging plants. It's smaller than a traditional digging spade, so it's great for getting to small areas or even for the smaller garden. It's got a real strong, durable carbon steel digging section with a hardwood shaft and a plastic spade. It's real comfortable to use, and it's a little bit shorter than a traditional spade, so it makes it much easier and lighter for manoeuvring around. This digging spade is ideal for large soil areas. It's mainly used for digging or turning soil or improving drainage, whatever you want to do in your garden. It's got a larger crank for improved strength, as you can see there, and the garden tool head is made of heat treated stainless steel with a rust resistant finish. It's got the strong ash shaft and the plastic durable handle with a soft grip on the end. This really is a quality product. It looks like a quality product, it feels like one, it's lightweight, it's strong, and it'll give you, again, many years of use in the garden. And this shovel also has a slightly sharpened leading edge there, which is great for digging, cutting through those tufts of grass. And also, like most digging spades, it has this folded edge, which is great for sticking your foot in and really pushing it down into the soil. Also, it's a handy little tool when you are digging a larger hole with this sharpened edge for cutting through roots if you need to. But don't cut off too many roots because you might kill the plant. The next set of tools we've got here are these gardening forks, very similar in appearance, both having the hardwood ash shaft and the plastic soft grip handle, very similar in appearance, but this one with the stainless steel end and stainless steel tines is much lighter and stronger, and these really are aimed at the professional gardener. A digging fork is ideal for heavily compacted soil. It's great for loosening that, turning the soil, aerating your garden as well. It's a must for any gardener really. So the next tool we've got is the Dutch hoe with the heat treated carbon steel blade again and a long hardwood shaft. It's great for reaching to the back of those borders, for turning the soil, loosening it up. A must for gardeners for maintaining those beds and borders. So the last tool we've got here is the edging iron with a long hardwood shaft, the soft grip plastic handle and the heat treated carbon steel head. Again with this turned over section here for digging in with your foot. Great little tool around the garden for creating distinct borders between your lawn and other garden features like your flower beds or your ponds or whatever you've got. Again, real simple tool and a must for every gardener. So that was our little demonstration and review of digging tools. Big thank you to Centurion for sending these things from their Anderson range again. Check out the channel, there's loads of great videos on there, like this DIY pallet planter. We show you how to make one of those. Check out the channel for other videos as well. And as usual, please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.